Okay, welcome to LiveCaseBreak.com. We got another 2 boxes of 2012 Tier 1 for Vince. Here we go. Good luck, Vince. Display last, display is top. Okay, so you want me to do this one on the bottom first then? Right? You want me to do this one first? This one second? Okay. Perfect. Here we go. Got a super thick card. Super thick card. Is it a knob? It's the correct size. Here we go. Everyone getting excited here. Okay, Buster Posey, 44 out of 399. Let's focus. There we go. Second card is Jameel Weeks, 172 out of 235. It's the right size to be a knob. Okay, and your bottom card. It is not a knob. Nice triple color patch though. 26 out of 99. Prince Fielder. 26 out of 99. Just missed the jersey number by 2. And that's from the old school Brewers unis. When they were the old schools there. Blue and yellow. That's sweet. So Prince Fielder. 26 out of 99. Nice. Very nice. Okay, in the display box. Let's see what the display box brings. Okay, we got 3 cards here. Okay, first one is CC Sabathia Pinstripe. 220 out of 399. CC Sabathia Pinstripe. Second one, Darwin Barney, Blue Ink for the Cubs. 81 out of 235. And the last auto is Michael Morse for the Nats. Out of 399. Mike Morse for the Nats. Blue Ink. At least it's a really nice auto. So there's the first downer box. So for the first time in live case break history, the display box did not have Mojo on it. Mike Morse Blue Ink. 3 very strong boxes out of 4. That's right. That Prince Fielder is really nice. It's actually a very nice condition card too. A lot of these have chips. This is pretty nice. One small scuff on the bottom left there, and that's it right there. The rest of this card's very nice. Yep. Okay, let me save this.